Question number 18, we have a diagram here. Chen makes this spinner, you can see this, it spins, he spins it to choose a toy to play with. Write the toys in order of likelihood that Chen plays with them. So, what is the likelihood? The maximum, you can see the section is taken by yo-yo. So, most likely is yo-yo. Then we have number 1 is this one, second one is train. This has the smaller section than this one, this has, then the least one is car. So, we will write this in order. Second one is going to be train, and then we have ball, then we have car, right. Number 19, estimate the answer to each calculation, draw a line to match each calculation in the best estimate. Now, we are estimating this, there is no need to do the actual calculation. Now, this is, if you see, less than 1000, between 1000 and 2000, this is greater than 2000. So, this is actually the estimation. Now, this is 531. If I make it is approximately 500, then times 4, 5 times 4 is 2000. So, we have 31, so that is going to be greater than, that is how it is done. Now, here this one is 39. So, if I make this 39 as 40, 40 times 5 times 5 is 25, 25 times 4 is 1000. So, 1000, that means this is going to be equal to less than this one, because 39 I have approximated upward here. So, it is going to be less than 1000, right. Here between 1000 and 2000, so this we have here 37, like let us say we are making it, we can make it 40 and 40, right, because they are closer to 40. So, this is going to be 1600, okay, and plus 37, this is 37 here, 1637. So, this is going to be between this 1000 and 2000, right. Now, this one here 488, this can be made easily 500 times 4, which is 2000, 2000 plus something. So, that makes it greater than 2000. So, this will be matched here. So, this is 25, 25 times I can make it 40, because 42 is nearest to 40. So, 25 times 4 is 1000 plus something. So, it is going to be greater than, not less than, greater than. So, we are going to match it over here between 1000 and 2000, right. I hope you got it. There is no need to do actual calculations, you have to make the estimation, okay. Now, number 20, Lily rolls a fair dice 1 to 6. Draw a line to match all the pair of statements that have same likelihood. So, the number rolled on dice are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right. Lily rolls 4, 5 or 6, 4, 5 or 6. So, they are 3 out of 6. That means this is 1 over 2, okay. Lily rolls 0, there is no 0 here. So, this probability is going to be 0. Lily rolls 6, 6 is coming once only, 1 out of 6, and rolls 7, 7 there is no 7 here, it is going to be 0. Lily rolls odd number. So, odd numbers are here, we have odd numbers 1, 3 and 5. So, they are going to be 3 out of 6, that is 1 over 2, right. And she rolls 1, 1 is coming only 1, so 1 by 6. Now, let us see which we can make. Lily rolls 1 and Lily rolls 6. So, this is the same, okay. Then this really odd number and this what you call 4, 5 and 6, this is also the same. Then this is 0 and 0. So, this is how we are going to match it. Now, 21, Oliver is thinking of two numbers, they both are whole numbers, one number is 1/3 of the other. So, and the sum of the numbers is given is 16. So, if one number is x, then the other number is 1/3, 1/3 if I take 1/3. So, if I take this 3x, the other one is x, that is 1/3 of this, and the sum of both is 16. So, this is 4x equals to 16. So, x is going to be 4 times 4 16, 16 divided 4 is 4. So one number is going to be 4, another one is 3 times 4. 3 times 4 it is 12. Number 22, Mia makes pastry. Mia makes pastry. She uses half as much butter as flour. So if the flour is x, then butter is half x, half of x. How many grams of butter does Mia uses? If she uses 450 grams of flour. So if flour is 450 grams, then what will be butter? Butter is going to be 450 times half, because half of that. So which one out of here? It is going to be this one. Okay. Now number 23, this graph shows the depth of water in a lake. Depth of water in lake is given this way. This is the depth of water. Depth in meters we are given. Number of days are given here. This question is very tricky, guys, though it's easy. There is one twist here. I'll just tell you now. So be careful. Write the greatest depth of the water shown on the graph. Now don't just take that graph is deep over here, right? This is not deep here. Depth is this side. So here depth in meters is 10 meters, 20 meters, 30, 40, 50. So this is the greatest one here, which is the deepest one here. So this is at 60 meters, not at 10. Okay, don't just take that the graph is deep here. So depth is going here in meters. Use the graph to complete the sentence. It takes dash days for the depth of water changing from 60 to 10 meters. So 60 is here, 60 is here, 60 to 10 meters. 60 is here and 10 meters is here. So from here to here is like how many days? You see 50 days here and 50 days here. So in total 150 to 250, that is 100 days. Okay. Now number 24, tick all the numbers that round to 5. This is rounding to 4, this is going to round to 5. So I will take this one. This is also 5, this is also 5, this is also 5. 5.3 will round it to 5. No, yeah, it's all rounded to 5, and this is going to round to 6. So these are the numbers that are rounding to 5. Number 25, Eva has 9 square tiles. She has 9 square tiles. She joins all her square tiles to make a larger square. So this is a larger square. Tick the name of the children who can join all these squares to make large square. So there are smaller tiles to make a bigger square. So to make a bigger square, it should be actually a square number. Like 9 tiles have been arranged this way, 3 by 3, right? So that means 9. 9 is a square number, which is of 3. So that's how we have the other ones also. This is 2 square, so that can be done. This is not a square number, this is also not a square number. So this is going to be 8 square. So that we can go to we are going to tick this one. Now Jamila says, I can join all my square tiles to make a different large square. Complete the sentence. So she is making different large square, not this one. So we have to leave this one. Here we had 9, leave 9 and 4 and 64. So there can be any other square number, like she may have 16, she may have 25, she may have 36, but we will leave the ones that were used in part A. Number 26, a teacher has $497.50. She buys 10 bats and 1 ball. Bat costs 42.5 each, and there are 10 bats, right? So we are going to multiply here by 10. Ball cost 7.7 and there is only 1 ball, so we are going to multiply here by 1 only. So when you multiply this by 1 by 10, it gives us 425.0, and this remains the same, 7.75, right? So the total cost, we are going to add these two, so that will be 5, 7, 432.75, and a teacher has $497.50 minus 432.75. Just subtract that and we got here 64.75. Okay. Now number 27, here are 4 rectangles drawn on a grid of centimeter square. You can see, tick the rectangle with an area of 24 and perimeter of 20 centimeters. So let's see first of all the area. This is, there are 2 squares here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is 10. So area here is 10 times, so it's 20. So this is not 1. So here we have 3 squares, here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 8 times 3, this is 8. 8 times 3, area is 24. And let's see the perimeter now. So we have here perimeter is a sum of all the sides. 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 11, both sides is 22, but we need 20. So this is also not the option. So here one, this is 24, 1 2 3 4 5, this is 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 by 5, this is 25. This is also not the answer. Hopefully this should be the answer. 1 2 3 4 for this side, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 6 times 4, it is 24. So area is correct. And then the perimeter 4 plus 6, it is 10, and we have 4 plus 6 this side, 10 plus 10, it is plus 10 again, so it's 20. So this is the one that we are looking for. Now number 28, Rajiv counts the number of reading books in each classroom. He shows the results in 4 different bar charts. You can see chart A, B, C and D. You can see the difference here. The scale is different. Number of books you can see here, they have divided it into 0, 5, 5, 5 sections, here 10 sections, here is very small sections, and here we have very big sections. So let's see what's the question. Rajiv uses one of the bar chart to work out the total number of books. Which one is the best chart to use? Explain your answer. Now if you look at carefully on all these 4 graphs, if you see this graph and this has the big scale where you cannot, like here 4 you cannot exactly tell what is 4 over here. Here also it's not easy. The easiest and the clearer one is this one C, which has like smaller sections, smaller scale is divided. So we are going to write down here chart C is the best chart. That explains because scale is divided, because the scale is divided into smaller sections. That it's easy to read all the readings, right? Now number 29, here are 2 nets of an open cube. Draw one more square, only one more square, it's because it's open cube, right? So each net has 2 nets, to make 2 nets of the closed cube. So there are 5, there should be 6 faces to make it to close. So 1 can be added here. There may be, your answer may be different than mine one, like this. So then this will become a closed square. Number 30, this table shows the result for 100-meter race in Olympics. So here is the country, here is time in seconds. The Netherlands took 1/10 longer than the winner. Complete the time for the Netherlands. We have to complete this time here. So winner is the one who will take the minimum time. So minimum out of this is this here, Jamaica, which is 10.71, and Netherlands takes 1/10 more than this. 1/10 means 1/10 is equal to 0.1. So we are going to add, they took like this time extra, so 10.81. So this is going to be 10.81. Number 31, here are some points on the grid. You can see the points on grid. A, B, C, D are vertices of the square. Where is the vertex coordinate of D? So, let us see, D is going to be here from A to B. A to B, if you go here, so it is 1, 2, 3, 3 units, right, and then up there are 3. So, that means we are going to go 3 units down, 1, 2 and 3. So, D is at this point. The coordinates of the D are 4 and 1. Here is the shape made from two identical triangles. Calculate the value of x. So, if this is 90, this is 70. So, triangles are identical. So, this is the base here. You see, this is base here. So, if this is 90, this angle is equal to this one, and then this is going to be equal to this one. If this is 70, then x plus this is angle on a straight line. So, that means x plus 70 is going to be 180. So, x is going to be 110 degrees. Number 33, draw a ring around the number that is closest to value -1. So, you can just see the difference. Here is difference of 0.1, 0.1, this is 0.09, this is 0.01, this is also 0.11. So, the closest one is this one here. Now, number 34, this is also a bit tricky, be careful. Class 5 picks up a litter in the local park. The waffle diagram shows the type of litter they picked up. So, here is the plastic bag, paper, coffee, drink, plastic bottles. So, now the question is, look at the information shown in the waffle diagram, tick all the statements that are true. So, we will go one by one. They pick up same numbers. He said same number of drink cans as paper cups. So, drink cans are the white ones, and paper cups the grey one. So, we are going to compare this white and the dark grey one. So, white is, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So, the white ones are 17. And the paper coffee is like, they are also 17. If you see, this is 10 plus 5 plus 2, they are also 17. So, yes, they are equal, right. Now, next, all plastic bottles they pick are the same size. We don't know actually, because we are not provided any information like about the size of the plastic bottle. So, we cannot say, so we can't tick this one. Next is 58% of the rubbish. 58% of the rubbish is plastic bottles. So, plastic bottle is this, the light blue one. So, as you can see, this is a square of 100, right. 10, we have 10 small squares this way, 10. So, this is 10 by 10. So, that means it is out of 100. Out of 100, like we have here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So, 58. So, that is what the question says, that 58%, as it is out of 100. So, this will become 58%. Okay. Now, they pick up 17 paper coffee cups. Paper coffee cups, let me see, here is paper coffee cup. If you see, they are 17, right. We have done already this, we have counted, they are 17, but it is 17% out of 70, because we don't know the total number. So, this graph shows the percentage. So, we cannot tick this because we don't know, is it it is 70%, but it is not 17 in number, right. Number 35, Naomi uses digit cards to show this calculation. She turns two cards over, these two cards. Now, Naomi says, you cannot be sure what number are on the cards I turn over. So, let us see. She said she cannot be sure, right. So, let us see. So, if we see this one, 8 plus 3 is 11. So, 1 carry here, 6 plus 6, 11 plus 12 plus 1, 13. So, 1 carry here, and then here what are the options? So, we need 5 here, 5 plus 1, 1 plus what gives you 5. So, it can be 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, or it can also be 1 and 3. So 1 plus 3, and it can also be 0 and 4. So that's why she is saying like it's not, she is not sure, right? So that means we can say why she is correct, because there are more than one option available. So we cannot be sure which one when you one option available. So when you pick up the card, you don't know, it may be it may be 4 and 0, or it may be 1 and 3, or it may be 2 and 2. So that's why we can't say surely like yes, this is the one that we are looking for. So that's it for this paper, guys. If you need the hard copy or PDF, kindly write in the comment section. I will put it somewhere for you guys to download the PDF file of this. Thank you so much, guys. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.